Welcome to Motive English. Today, I want you to imagine something. You already know many English words. You have studied grammar. You have watched videos. But when it's time to speak, your mouth freezes. Why? Because your mouth has never been trained to move like an English speaker's mouth. Your brain knows English, but your mouth, your muscles, don't. That's why you can understand others, but you can't speak fluently yourself. So today, I'll show you how to train your mouth to talk, how to reprogram your tongue, lips, and brain to speak English smoothly, naturally, and confidently. Stay with me until the end, and I'll give you a complete daily training routine you can follow, even if you're shy, even if you're a beginner, because this is where fluency begins. Let me tell you a secret. Most people don't speak English because they don't practice speaking. They only study. You can study thousands of words. You can memorize grammar rules. But until your mouth repeats those words again and again, you will always hesitate when it's time to speak. Speaking is a physical skill, not only a mental one. Just like playing the guitar or learning to swim. You don't learn to swim by reading a book about swimming. You must move your body. And you don't learn to speak English by watching others talk. You must move your mouth. That's the difference between knowing English and speaking English. Your mouth must learn the movement, rhythm, and sound of English. This process builds muscle memory, a deep, automatic skill that makes you fluent. So if you struggle to speak, it's not your fault. You just haven't trained your mouth enough. But today, that changes. We're going to retrain your speech muscles, one sound, one word, one sentence at a time. So take a deep breath and get ready to speak with me. Now, let's begin training your mouth to talk. You see, English fluency doesn't start in your brain. It starts right here in your mouth. Your tongue, your lips, your breath, your voice. These are your tools. And like any tool, they need training. When a baby learns to speak, they repeat the same sounds again and again. Mama, papa, hello, bye. They don't study grammar. They repeat. They listen, and they move their mouth until the words feel natural. You must do the same for English. So let's start together. You can listen and repeat after me. Speak out loud, even if you're alone. Let your mouth move. That's how you build fluency. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I can train my mouth. I can sound confident. I can improve every day. Say it again. I can speak English. I can train my mouth. I can sound confident. I can improve every day. Good. When you repeat, focus on the movement of your mouth. Feel how your lips move. Feel how your tongue touches your teeth. That movement is what creates fluency. Let's train with simple English sentences. Repeat after me slowly. How are you today? I'm feeling great. It's a beautiful day. I love learning English. Speaking English makes me feel confident. Now, let's make it faster. With rhythm. How are you today? I'm feeling great. It's a beautiful day. I love learning English. Speaking English makes me feel confident. Did you notice how your voice started to flow? That's what we want. Flow, rhythm, and confidence. Because speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being natural. Let's practice with another short conversation. Repeat every line after me. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. What's your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Excellent. This is how you train your mouth, through repetition and rhythm. Now, let's focus on pronunciation. English has sounds that may not exist in your native language. You need to train your muscles to make them easily. Repeat these sounds with me. TH, think. TH, this. R, right. L, light. V, very. W, world. Don't rush. Say them slowly and clearly. Think. This. Right. Light. Very world. Now combine them into short phrases. This world is very bright. Think right. Live light. Very good work today. Each time you speak, you are building new muscle memory. Your mouth is learning. Your confidence is growing. You are getting better. The secret is simple: consistency. Do this every day for 10 to 15 minutes. Speak out loud. Record yourself. Listen. Correct. Repeat. If you do this, your mouth will start to move automatically when you speak English. You won't have to think about every word. The words will just flow. Remember, practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes permanent. Every time you speak, you are creating a new habit in your mouth. So train your mouth to speak clearly. Train your tongue to move easily. Train your mind to stay calm and confident. And soon people will say, "Wow, your English sounds amazing. You can do this." Your voice is powerful. Your mouth is ready to learn. All it needs is your time and your belief. Now that you understand the method, it's time to turn it into a daily habit. Because real change doesn't happen in one day. It happens through small, consistent actions. Training your mouth to talk takes practice, patience, and repetition. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow for just 15 minutes every day. You don't need any books, any special tools, or even a partner. You only need your voice, your mouth, and your focus. Let's begin. Minute 1 to 3. Warm up your mouth. Move your lips, your tongue, your jaw. Say the English alphabet slowly from A to Z. A, B, C, D. Do it again, but this time with energy and rhythm. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Feel your mouth moving. Feel the sound flowing out naturally. Minute 4 to 6. Listen and repeat short sentences. Choose any simple phrases you know. For example, I am learning English. I love to practice every day. I am getting better and better. Repeat each line 3 times out loud. The goal is not to say it fast. The goal is to say it clearly. Minute 7 to 10. Shadow practice. Play a short video or audio of a native English speaker. It can be a movie clip, a podcast, or even this video. Listen and speak at the same time as the speaker. Try to copy their speed, tone, and rhythm. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to train your mouth to follow natural English rhythm. Minute 11 to 13. Speak about your day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you did today, what you are thinking, or what you will do next. For example, today, I woke up early. I went to work. I talked with my friend. I watched a movie. Tomorrow, I will study English again. This exercise helps your mouth and your mind work together. Minute 14 to 15. Motivate yourself. Say positive sentences that make you feel strong. Repeat after me. I am confident. I can speak English fluently. I am improving every day. My mouth is learning fast. I believe in myself. I will never give up. Say those lines with power and belief, because the more you speak with confidence, the faster your fluency grows. That's your 15-minute daily routine. Simple, powerful, effective. If you do this every single day, you will start to notice real changes in your speech within a few weeks. Your mouth will move more easily. Your words will flow faster. You will start thinking in English. And when you meet someone who speaks English, you won't be afraid anymore. You'll smile and your words will come naturally. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Speak today, even if it's not perfect, because progress is better than perfection. You've just trained your mouth to talk. You've practiced speaking. You've learned that fluency is not about perfection. It's about progress, persistence, and practice. I want you to remember something powerful. Every time you speak, you are building your future self. Every sentence you say, every word you repeat, every mistake you make, they all bring you one step closer to fluency. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are not signs of failure. They are signs of growth. The only real mistake is staying silent. You don't need to be perfect to start speaking. You only need to start. And once you start, everything becomes easier. English is not just a language. It's a bridge to new people, new opportunities, and a new version of yourself. When you train your mouth to talk, you train your mind to believe, you train your confidence to grow, and you train your heart to never give up. Say this with me. I am learning. I am improving. I am becoming fluent. I am proud of myself. Good. That's the voice of progress. That's the voice of confidence. That's the voice of your new English speaking self. Now imagine 1 year from today. If you speak every day for just 15 minutes, how strong will your English be? How confident will your voice sound? How many doors will open for you? That's the power of daily training. That's the power of belief. So keep going. Keep speaking. Keep training your mouth, because your voice matters. Thank you for watching and training with me today. If this lesson inspired you, subscribe to Motive English right now. Join our community of learners who speak with confidence and passion. New videos are coming every week to help you grow your English and your mindset. Remember, your journey to fluency doesn't end here. It starts again tomorrow, with your voice, with your belief, and with your mouth ready to speak. Speak every day, believe every day, and never stop improving. This is Motive English. Train your mouth, speak with confidence, and change your life through English.